Hi, my name is Hannah from Imo Investment. Today we are in a beautiful place called La Finca Golf in Algorfa. I have today a take on this beautiful villa. Come, let's see. So this beautiful villa has a magnificent view on the mountains, like you can see. Set on a 415 square meter plot with 133 square meter of living space, this beautiful villa stands out for its raised position and open views of the mountains, the golf course and the countryside. Inside, you will find a bright and open living and dining area, perfect for relaxing or spending time with family and friends. The modern kitchen has tall cupboards, a large island, good quality appliances, and the door to a side terrace with a small utility area. The main bedroom is a true retreat, with doors to the garden and sand terrace. A walk-in closet and a private bathroom with 2 sinks. There are 2 more bedrooms, both with built-in wardrobes and a modern family bathroom. Every part of this villa has been designed with care, using warm woods, stone details, and a soft lighting to create a cozy and welcoming feeling. The property comes partly furnished with air conditioning, electric shutters, remote controlled gates, and a top quality finishes. Outside there is a private pool, poolside shower and the sunny terraces, perfect for outdoor dining and relaxing. You also have a secure gated parking and extra parking on the street. The villa is only 200 meters from La Finca Golf Hotel, Spa and Clubhouse, and less than 3 kilometers from Algorfa village. The beaches of Guardamar, La Mata and Torrevieja are just a short drive away. Contact us today to book your private viewing and see why this villa is so special. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe for more beautiful homes on the Costa Blanca.